Yo, what's up everybody? It's your Mangolu and we're diving deep into the world of YouTube, but this time it's about movies, man. We're talking about how to upload movies to YouTube without getting that dreaded copyright strike. Because nobody wants to deal with legal trouble, right? We want to keep our channels clean and our content flowing. So stick around because we're breaking down everything you need to know to do this the right way. Let's get started. First things first, you've got to make sure you own the rights to the movie or you have permission to upload it. I mean, this seems obvious, but it's where people trip up all the time. If you filmed it yourself, you're good to go. But if it's someone else's movie, you're going to need to reach out and get that permission in writing. Think of it like this. You wouldn't want someone using your work without asking, right? So always respect the creators and get that permission squared away. Trust me, it'll save you a lot of headache down the road. Now here's where things get interesting. Public domain movies are those classics where the copyright has expired or they were never copyrighted in the first place. Think of those black and white films from way back when. They are a goldmine for content creators. But there's a catch. You've got to do your research. Just because a movie is old doesn't automatically make it public domain. Double check, triple check, and make sure you're in the clear before you hit upload. Alright, let's talk about Creative Commons, which is like a breath of fresh air in the copyright world. These are films that creators have decided to share with the world under specific conditions. Some might require attribution, some might have restrictions on commercial use. You've got to read the fine print. The beauty of Creative Commons is that it encourages collaboration and creativity. So if you're down with using content that others have shared, this is definitely an avenue to explore. Chapter 4. Fair use, tread carefully. Fair use is probably the most misunderstood aspect of copyright law, and it can be tricky. It basically allows you to use copyrighted material under certain circumstances, like for commentary, criticism, or parody. Think reaction videos, reviews, that sort of thing. But here's the thing. Fair use is not a free pass to upload whatever you want. You have to add your own original spin on it. It has to be transformative. And even then, it's still up to YouTube and the copyright holder to decide if your use is fair. Chapter 5. Music matters. Don't forget the soundtrack. This is one people often overlook. You might be in the clear to use a movie clip, but what about the music in that clip? Yeah, music is protected by copyright too. Using copyrighted music without permission is a surefire way to get your video flagged or taken down. My advice, either find royalty-free music or use YouTube's audio library. They have a ton of great options that won't get you into trouble. YouTube has this super sophisticated system called Content ID, and it's always on the lookout for copyrighted material. It's constantly scanning videos, comparing them to a massive database of copyrighted content. So if you try to sneak in a movie clip without permission, chances are Content ID will catch it. And that could mean anything from a copyright claim to a strike on your channel. If you're unsure about using a whole movie, why not start with clips or reviews? These are less likely to raise red flags, especially if you're adding your own commentary and insights. It shows that you're not just re-uploading someone else's work, but you're actually creating something new. Plus, it's a great way to engage with your audience, spark discussion, and build a community around your channel. This last tip is all about staying organized. If you're uploading movies with permission, make sure you keep all the paperwork, emails, contracts, everything. You want a clear paper trail in case any disputes arise. Think of it like this. It's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. Stay organized, keep those records safe, and you'll be good to go. So there you have it, guys. Uploading movies to YouTube doesn't have to be a legal minefield. Just remember the golden rule: respect copyright law. If you're using someone else's work, get permission or make sure it falls under fair use or public domain. And always double-check those licenses. It's always better to be safe than sorry, right? Anyways, hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks on navigating the world of YouTube. Peace out.